Welcome all. In this video, we are going to talk about International English Olympiad exam. Right? We will look at various topics which are there in this exam and how we are going to cover in this course. So, before looking into the details of this course, let us go to SOF's official website. If you see, we are just taking an example of class 1 syllabus. Right? They have mentioned all the guidelines for this particular exam. Along with that, they have mentioned the topics also. So each and every topic which will be there in this exam, along with total marks, time duration, everything is published. Along with that, there is a exam pattern also. For example, for 1 to 4th, these four sections will be there, right? Along with that, they have mentioned how many questions will be there and how many marks will be allocated to particular question. So that way we can see all these sections and how many marks are allocated to particular section. So this way we know various sections, various topics and subtopics. So all these topics and subtopics we need to practice. So that is how this course is prepared. All these topics and subtopics are covered here. For example, these four sections which are there on SOF website also. Along with that, we will be having a lot of worksheets and sample papers. So let us quickly see how these things are covered in this course. For example, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections are there. So let us look at first section. It is talking about just SOF, its introduction, its history, and how they are going to conduct the exam. Then we'll talk about the exam pattern. We also just had a word on this, but this will be explained here. So these two are the video lectures. Along with that, all these topics which we just talked about, these all topics are explained in the form of video lectures. If you see synonyms, antonyms, verb, singular, basic punctuations, each and every topic you will find a video where we'll explain what is, for example, in this section we'll talk about what is verb, what kind of questions will be there. We will be having two examples, minimum two examples, along with the correct answer and explanation to those answers. So this way each and every topic is covered, right? So once you go through these videos, you can understand how the questions will be presented in exam and how we are going to attempt it. Then in next section we will be having all these sections along with the quizzes. Each section will have quiz. Each quiz will have around 25 to 30 questions. Once you attempt these quizzes, 10 questions will be displayed on screen, right? Once you complete that quiz, and if you want to reattempt those quizzes, there will be different question next time. So anytime you attempt and you finish your quiz, you can go back to your dashboard. You can see the results, how many questions are right, how many questions are wrong, along with the explanation to the answers. So this way, this will be having complete record, right? You can attempt the quiz, for example, 10 times. All those 10 results for that particular quiz will be captured and will be there in your dashboard, right? So this way you can see how which section you are weak and which section you need more practice. So this way these quizzes are covered. Then second section, again there will be topics, same quizzes will be there, similar number of questions will be there, and same way of attempting will be there. Third section, spoken and written expression, again there will be topics for each will be having quiz, 30 questions, and you can attempt 10 questions in a single attempt. Similarly, fourth section will be there. Once you are done with these sections, you can look into the worksheets also. Again, there will be 20 plus worksheets. Three worksheets, for example, there are three worksheets on daily routine. You can download these worksheets. These are all PDF format, and you can practice at home. So this way you can build more confidence for these topics. Once you are having good confidence, you can go to next section, that is sample papers. So you can download these papers and you can attempt. So these papers are purely based on the pattern which is given here, right? Each section will be there, number of questions will be there, right? So along with those, you will be having correct answers and explanation to those answers also. So this way you can practice all the topics. Next section is talking about sample paper. This is again one sample paper which is available on SOF site also. That is free on SOF site also. You can download it from there also. This is OMR sheet. Just to avoid surprises at last moment, you can download it and you can practice at home. This will be having actual format which will be there in actual exam, where the student will be answering the questions. So this is also taken from SOF official site. You can also download it from there. So this way all these classes are covered for class 3, for class 4th. All these sections are similarly covered. So these 4 sections, again video lectures will be there, structure, this work and structure knowledge, then reading section, spoken and written exam, then achiever section, then sample paper, worksheet and sample papers, and bonus section. So this way from class 1 to 4 we have covered. So once you enroll to this course, you will be having access for 365 days, right? So more than 10 hours of content is there, right? Once you complete, you will be getting the certificate of completion from exam trainer. So this is how we have covered these four exams for class 1 to 4. So you can practice each and every topic and you can build your confidence. So thank you for watching. Happy learning.